Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to test the new feature of Tapcoins bot, that is the crypto spin. They have added a new feature today, that is the crypto spin. In this video, I will tell you how to use this feature and how to claim rewards using this feature. So please make sure to watch this video from here till the very end without skipping a single part. And before starting today's video guys, the most important thing, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel yet, you are making a big mistake guys, because on my Telegram channel I provide you daily combos, daily codes, daily ciphers, daily puzzles and all those stuff of all the crypto mining projects even before YouTube. First of all, the content is uploaded on my Telegram channel, then the same content is re-uploaded afterwards on my YouTube channel. Joining Telegram channel is absolutely free of cost. Link is given in the description box below. Joining Telegram channel is really important guys, because no need to watch any of the YouTube videos and waste your time in watching the YouTube videos after joining my Telegram channel, as every single thing and every single stuff, including the updates of all the project, is provided on my Telegram channel itself. So definitely do not miss this opportunity. Join my Telegram channel. Definitely join my Telegram channel after watching this video immediately, okay? So let's start our today's video guys. So first of all, I will tell you how to use this feature or how to open this feature, okay? First of all, open your Tapcoinsbot account, then you have to simply click on the earn, okay? As you can see, the earn option has been added here. Click on the earn and simply click on the crypto spin. Now the crypto spin options open right here, as you can see. So I guess in order to spin this crypto spin, you have to pay 1 key plus 50,000 coins. So let's see how much coins do we have in our account. I have around 6,082,832 coins in my Tapcoins bot account, as you can see, and the number of keys I have is 37. Now let me just spin the crypto spin and let's see how much coins and keys do we left. Let us spin that. All right, as you can see, I have clicked the spin option, but it is not spinning right now. I think any issue is there. Okay, let's start this game again. No worries, let's start this game again. Okay, timeout issue is there. All right, let me just reload this page and start this game again. All right, let's do it again. Click on the crypto spin and let's click here. What is this, bro? There is coming records. That means due to the technical issue or my network issue, I just spin, but it didn't show me. I got 500,000 coins, as you can see in my records option. Let me just check my number of keys. Oh, okay, the number of keys were 37. Now only 34 keys are left. That means 3 keys are vanished. That means I spin 3 times, but due to my network issue it not shown, or due to the apps issue, I guess. Let's spin it again. Click here. Okay, now it's showing guys, as you can see. That's amazing feature, bro. Again I have got 500,000 coins in my Tapcoins account absolutely for free. Let's accept this. Wow, now it's showing in my records. Let's see the updated balance. Wow, as you can see, I have got 500,000 coins absolutely for free. Let me do it again. I really love this feature guys. Tell me in the comment if you like this feature or not. Let's do it again. I want USDT. Let's try for the USDT once again. I'm going to spin it multiple times till I get the USDT. Okay, that's really cool feature, because they are giving you free USDT also. You can see you can get 50 USDT, 0.01 USDT, 10 USDT, 0. USDT. That's cool. If you have good luck, you can win 50 USDT also. Let's try our luck for some time. I'm going to spin it multiple times. Okay guys. Okay, 500,000 coins. Okay, the coins has been added in my Tapcoins account. Here it is showing the number of keys below and the USDT. I have 0.7 USDT and 7.48 million Tapcoins. Okay, let me just do it again. Let's try it again. Okay, I'm going to spin it until I get USDT. Okay, so please be in the video guys, do not skip anywhere till I get USDT. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell notification to never miss upcoming updates, daily combos, daily codes, and all those stuff of all the crypto mining projects. And in the description box of this video guys, I have given you some excellent crypto mining project links which are far better than Tapcoins. Some of the projects are like you just need to join them and claim your reward. No need to do any kind of work or task or daily combos and all that stuff. So definitely check those projects out and join those projects absolutely for free. And the most important thing, as you know, you have to join my Telegram channel as well. That's the most important thing. And oh my god, I have successfully got 0.01 USDT absolutely for free in my Tapcoins account. Let me just check my updated balance and let me just show you. Go to the task, go to the airdrop. Okay, go to the airdrop, and here we can check the amount of USDT. As you can see, I have 0.7. It's actually 0.71. It gets round off, let me just show you on the earn section. 0.71 USDT I have currently in my account, and you can check the coin balance also. Let me just try it 3 more times. Let's see if we get another USDT. And okay, 100,000 tap coins. Let's try it again. I want USDT, bro. I want USDT. Oh, the guy that gets the 50 USDT will be the most lucky, for real. So I think we have to end this video, not waste your time more. Okay, that's all for today guys. See, I again got 0.01 USDT. So that's how you can use this feature, and you can get free USDT or tap coins in your tapcoinsbot account. So that's how you can use this feature. That's all for today. I hope you liked my today's video. Before going, please make sure to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell notification, and do not forget to join my Telegram channel. That's the most important thing. Link is given in the description box below. Bye bye guys.